Bitcoin hovers near 13-month high as investors cheer Ripple ruling. Singapore, Washington, July 14. Bitcoin was hovering near the highest so far this year on Friday after crypto investors took encouragement from a legal victory in which cryptocurrency Ripple was ruled not to be security. A US judge said on Thursday that Ripple Labs Incorporation did not violate securities law by selling its Ripple token on the public exchanges. The case marked the first win of a cryptocurrency company in a lawsuit brought by the US Security and Exchange Commission. Although the decision was specific to the individual case, it's unleashed a wave of optimism among crypto investors that more cryptocurrencies may also not be deemed securities. Still, the enthusiasm of some was tempered by a report from the Wall Street Journal that Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, had laid off more than 1,000 people in recent weeks. The layoffs are ongoing and could result in exchange losing more than a third of its staff, the report said. Coinbase also announced on Friday that it will limit its crypto staking service for retail customers in California, New Jersey, South Carolina, and Wisconsin. Pending proceedings, several states initiated against the exchange last month, claiming that the program violates securities laws. Bitcoin hit its highest price since June 2022, earlier touching 31,818 before edging down to trade around 30,000 at 2009 on Friday. Second biggest token either had its best session since March on Thursday, and Ripple, which the US judge ruled could be legally sold on public crypto exchanges, soared 73% on Thursday and held most of these gains on Friday. The regulatory environment is changing, said Matthew Deep, Chief Investment Officer at the crypto asset manager at Astronaut Capital, and by what we have seen in the last 24 hours could be for the better. Justin, head of business development in Asia at Keyrock digital asset market maker in Hong Kong, said finding that Ripple tokens sold on public cryptocurrency were not security under law probably served as a precedent. Ripple stakeholders were waiting for some regulatory clarity. Yesterday, the courts seemed to have applauded just that said. Following the decision, several major crypto exchanges, including Coinbase and Bitstamp, resumed trading of Ripple on their platforms after having a suspended trading of token in 2021 due to SEC lawsuit. Binance US said on Friday it also has enabled Ripple trading on its exchange. Coinbase, which was sued by the SEC last month for alleged securities law violations, saw its shares surge nearly 25% on Thursday. Investors hope that the ruling in the Ripple case would bode well for Coinbase. Cryptocurrency have staged a gradual recovery so far this year after price fell sharply last year and series of bankruptcies at major crypto firms, including crypto exchange FTX, left investors with heavy losses. The collapse of FTX added momentum to global regulatory efforts and reining in the sector, especially to protect small investors lured by fast returns. China has all but banned crypto. US investigators raking over FTX have accused founder Sam Bankman-Fried of multi-billion-dollar fraud, to which he has pleaded not guilty. Alex, the founder of bankrupt crypto lender Sirius, which was charged with fraud of misleading customers and artificially inflating the value of a company token, according to US indictment and sealed on Thursday, he pleaded not guilty. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe.